Have you ever found yourself in a situation where the unexpected struck, leaving you feeling vulnerable and unprepared? Today, we're diving into the world of survival gear, and by the end of this video, you'll not only be better prepared for the unpredictable but also equipped with the knowledge to make the right choices when it comes to survival gadgets. But before we delve into these essential tools, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell, so you never miss out on crucial survival tips. Now, let's get started. 1. AR-7S Rifle. This trusty firearm boasts a rich history as the preferred weapon for U.S. Air Force pilots operating in remote areas. Its reputation in the civilian world is equally impressive, thanks to its remarkable blend of portability, user-friendly design, and rugged durability. What sets this compact rifle apart is its ingenious design. The stock, crafted to withstand water and impact, can be effortlessly disassembled and stowed away without the need for any tools. When the need arises, it can be reassembled in a matter of seconds, ensuring you're ready to tackle any situation swiftly. With a robust ABS plastic coating protecting its corrosion-resistant steel barrel, you can count on tack-driving accuracy, even in challenging conditions. Plus, its 22 LR chambering allows you to carry a substantial amount of ammunition without burdening yourself with excess weight. Now, the best part, you can get your hands on all this reliability for just $350. 2. Spyderco Delica 4. Priced at $80, this multi-purpose folding knife is a true workhorse, offering versatility and reliability when you need it most. At the heart of this impressive tool is a flat-grind VG10 stainless steel blade. Not only does it provide exceptional corrosion resistance, but it also holds its edge remarkably well. Crafted from fiberglass reinforced nylon, it ensures a stable and comfortable grip, even in demanding situations. One standout feature of the Delica is its lock-back mechanism, which keeps the blade securely in place during use, reducing the risk of accidents. And when it comes to convenience, this knife has you covered. With its 4-position pocket clip and lightweight construction, it's a breeze to carry and access whenever you need it. 3. Hoto Flashlight. This versatile flashlight is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Priced at $80, it not only serves as a reliable light source but also offers various lighting modes to cater to different camping needs. What sets the Hoto Flashlight apart are its unique mounting options. Whether you need to hang it with the hook, secure it with the magnetic base, or strap it to your gear, this flashlight can adapt to diverse camping demands. This flexibility means you can position it wherever you need, freeing up your hands for other tasks around camp. It even features a side light, serving as a secondary light source for added convenience. With an easy-to-use interface, you can effortlessly switch between its 13 distinct lighting modes. Its robust material composition improves heat dissipation and enhances its tactile attributes, making it a durable and reliable choice for all your camping adventures. 4. Off-grid tools. This versatile piece of gear boasts an impressive 31 features, making it your all-in-one solution for tackling a wide range of situations, and it's priced at just $70. With an all-steel full-tang axe head and an incredibly durable yet lightweight glass-filled nylon handle, it's built to withstand the toughest challenges. The sharpenable hatchet blade is perfect for tasks like clearing debris, chopping wood, or even demolition work. Need to cut through different materials? No problem. It comes with an interchangeable 6-inch bimetal saw blade that easily pulls out from the grip and locks securely in place. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Pro Survival Axe Elite is compact enough to fit into your glove box or bug-out bag, yet it's large enough to tackle even the toughest jobs. Weighing in at just a little over 1.5 pounds and measuring 11 inches long, it's a versatile and indispensable addition to your survival gear. 5. AR-6 Stinger 2. Now, let's introduce you to a true marvel of firepower, the AR-6 Stinger 2 repeating crossbow. What sets this crossbow apart is its lightning-fast cocking mechanism, thanks to the fiber-optic front sight. This feature ensures quick and precise aiming, giving you an edge when every moment counts. Whether you're aiming at distant targets or navigating low-light situations, the AR-6 Stinger 2 has you covered. Attachments like a red dot sight for long-distance accuracy, as well as a laser and light for low-light scenarios, are at your disposal. Reloading is a breeze too, thanks to the new speed loaders that can fill the magazine in a matter of seconds. When it comes to durability, this crossbow is nearly unbreakable, thanks to its sturdy polymer construction. For $300, the AR-6 Stinger II offers unmatched firepower. Before we dive into our next survival gadget, I'd like to kindly ask you to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell. Now, let's get back to it. 6. Lifesaber. The Lifesaber is a game-changing survival gadget that's not just a never-ending cell phone charger, but so much more. In an emergency, it transforms into a mechatronic multi-tool with snap-in attachments, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. With the Lifesaber, you can recharge your phone with a simple ergonomic motion, wherever and whenever you need it. Just 15 minutes of twirling or 3 minutes of full forearm power cranking can bring a dead cell phone back to life. It also features a snap-in fire starter capable of generating a scorching 2000-degree Fahrenheit arc, perfect for igniting flames even in adverse weather conditions. For those times when clean drinking water is scarce, the optional snap-in UV water purifier comes to the rescue. It uses germicidal ultraviolet radiation to sterilize microbiologically hazardous water. In just about 3 minutes of cranking, you can purify a liter of unclean water. It's also equipped with a 31-lumen spotlight, an emergency siren, a blinding strobe, and more. With all these features, the Lifesaber proves its worth at $150. 7. Inreach Mini 2. With the Inreach Mini 2, you can easily stay in touch with your family and friends back home, post updates on your social media, and communicate with other Inreach devices in the field. One standout feature is the ability to share your location with loved ones using your map share page or by including coordinates in your messages. Powered by the global Iridium satellite network, this gadget ensures a reliable connection even in remote areas with poor cell phone reception. Keep in mind that you'll need an active satellite subscription to fully utilize this network. Despite its compact size, this is built to withstand the elements. It's sturdy, impact-resistant, and boasts an impressive water rating of IBX7, making it water-resistant and capable of enduring tough conditions. Priced at $350, this device offers more than just communication. It features a trackback routing capability to guide you back to your starting point, provides accurate heading data, and boasts a rechargeable battery with a 10-minute tracking mode battery life of up to 90 hours. 8. Real Avid Pistol. With 18 highly effective titanium-coated tools, the Real Avid pistol tool is calibrated to work seamlessly with various handgun platforms. Whether you're dealing with polymer striker-fired pistols or the iconic 1911, this tool has you covered. Some of its key features include a bit driver, a metal file, hex bits with ball detents, barrel bushing wrenches specifically designed for 1911 models, a versatile pick and scraper, and a handy 3-inch Tonto knife, among others. Additionally, the Real Avid pistol tool offers quick attachment capabilities for cleaning rods and cables, thanks to its threaded receiver and removable pin punch. At just $50, this tool is a must-have for handgun enthusiasts. 9. Alkaid Knife. Next up, we have the Alkaid Knife, a standout piece priced at $250 that's sure to catch your attention. This knife features a unique and secure blade locking system, courtesy of its spine-mounted spring lock. With a simple conversion, it can transform from a regular knife into a push dagger mode, adding to its fascination. Switching between these modes is made easy with its button lock feature. In its conventional mode, the Alkaid Knife features finger grooves that, while providing excellent grip and comfort, may limit flexibility for alternative grips. The knife's ergonomic design ensures you can handle it with ease, making it a practical tool as well as a collector's item. In today's survival gear guide, we've unveiled a lineup of must-have gadgets, each designed to enhance your preparedness and outdoor experiences. Which one of these tools caught your eye the most, and do you have any personal favorites in your survival kit? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting gear reviews and survival tips. Thanks for watching.